Hey guys, what's up? My Saturdays are usually pretty crazy, and that's kind of why I started this channel. But today, my dad called me last week and asked me if I could come help him pull some trees off of his fence line to keep it from falling on the neighbor's vehicles. So I went over there this morning and took a look at it, and had to come back and get some different equipment. We're gonna have to it's gonna be a difficult day probably to try to pull these trees over without tearing up his fence or tearing up the neighbor's property. So I came back home, got all my stuff. I'm getting ready to head back out and see how this goes. It's not even 10 o'clock and it's already hot. I'm okay. All right. I'm sure I'm missing something, but we'll deal with it. I just realized I have my safety shirt on, so maybe that'll be a reminder to be safe. All right, here's what we got here. This tree here is broke in two places, down at the bottom and right here, and it's leaning up this way, and we're afraid it's going to take out the fence, and the neighbors moved the cars, so we got an opportunity to get in here and get them out. So, and then this is the other issue. This thing is way out there. It's a big tree. It's probably that could probably reach the house. So we're going to see if we can pull that back with a winch. We'll have to dodge all these trees and try to pull it towards the truck. But we got a minefield in here of pine trees. Come here, Mike. Come here. What's up, girl? What's up? You been in the creek? You been in the creek? Hmm? Alright, let's go. Let's go.
good height.
I am. That don't bother me, but that don't bother me, but any more than that probably would. I'm pretty sure this ain't gonna work, but we're gonna try to pull these two trees together, pull them over at the same time. More likely it's gonna fall on the fence, but that's all I can come up with right now.
By tying them together like that, son, they may stay.
That's what I'm hoping for.
It's coming. Mason, don't let it fall over when you that way now.
Alright, it's coming. Oh! Alright, look out. Alright, I need to nip that other tree. Here's that. I need to nip the back of that other tree. I can't believe that worked.
You want me to pull? Well, you motion when you want me to start pulling.
Wow.
Getting close to you, truck, son.
I cannot believe that worked. No, I was due some good luck.
Get your smack off of here.
Oh, that wasn't
When
good.
you do your video, make sure you tell everybody 3 generations of Davises.
Yeah.
Actually, that tree held on. This big one held on more than I thought it would.
Yeah, I know. It wasn't quite dead. It was just cracked, but see, it was
I know.
cracked here.
There's lightning here that isn't.
I'm just surprised that they held together by being tied together way down here.
Yeah. Well, we got it.
Good
We used up
job.
our good luck for today.
Good job, good job.
We still had a good 10 feet before it hit the truck.
Yeah, but still, son, that's too close for me.
Well, that went extremely well. As sketchy as that was, I didn't think it would work, but it must have been because I had my safety shirt on. I don't know, but it worked. So anyway, we got done with that. It's 12:30, so that took about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Now I got to go load the tractor up and go do some bush hogging for my mom. So hopefully that goes as smooth as pulling down those trees. Let's see how it goes. All right, so we got to change of plans. Well, I got all my stuff loaded up. I think I'm gonna go over to my grandpa's house. He has a Bradford pear tree that is splitting, and it's gonna fall any time now. Part of it's gonna fall in his driveway, and the other house possibly could fall on his house. So while I got everything loaded up, I'm just gonna go over there and try to get it down before I go bush hog. So we'll see how it goes. This is a Bradford pear tree at my grandpa's house I was talking about. You can see it's split down through here, and I don't want it to fall on this house or in the driveway, so I'm gonna cut it down and move it out of the way. All right, that wasn't too bad. My uncle come over and helped me. We made short work of it. Now we're gonna take this crepe myrtle out. We're gonna try to bust up the roots and just push the whole tree over. He went to get his subsoiler, so we'll see how it goes. There's the rafter pear, plus a few other trees that we cut down. So that went pretty good. We cut 3 trees down, Bradford pear, a crepe myrtle, and a weeping cherry tree. So we got those out of the way, cleared up the parking area, or the front yard area where people park at my grandpa's house. So I'm on my way to my mom's now to do some bush hogging, and hopefully I can get home before dark. See how it goes.